Alright, so this is 1721 East 7th Avenue, double decker. I'm in the clean out, right in the patio. This is the line that had all that big old monster calcium debris in it. So we ran up a coating machine through here. All that debris was right here at this 3x2 urinal. This is where that big old monster hump was. So we got it all ground out, and then we also jet clean the line. So this is going back towards the clean out where we first started. So we were coming the opposite direction from in the bathrooms, and then it was easier to work the machines through this clean out outside. So that's just a clean out right there. That debris in there is not going to cause any problems. That's to the right of the toilet in the men's room. So all this is nice and beautiful now. This is where the debris was. Looked like a piece of tile or drywall or something. And then further down is where that big old monster hunk of calcium was at that 3x2. You should be coming up on it again. Right here. So all that's gone. And now I want to video from the clean out outside out to the tap. Holding a little bit of water in that spot. You can see the striations where we've just run our jetter through here too to make sure we didn't have any debris. That looked like our drop right there. Down to the city pipe, which we're already in. So I'll pull back to the drop, make sure it all looks good. I jetted well past the drop.
Awesome. I'm sure there's a lot better.
Yeah, it does. So right here, this is where it drops down into the city line. So that's basically the end of the private property is right here. This 90 dropping down into this combo. So I'll let it record as I pull back. Everything's nice and clean. Beautiful. I'm gonna let the camera sit just in the line. In a second, and I'll go inside and do some flushes so you can see the flow coming through. And there's our toilets coming at us. Flow looks awesome. I'm going to go ahead and pull back out of the clean out and conclude the video.